Guys, I'm doing the Lay's chip challenge. My brother already tried this and I would know if it's too spicy for him, but yeah, it's too spicy. So I'm gonna go for this one. But I already started here. I'm so excited for this. I heard that these are good. I like the kettle cooked Lay's. But yeah. This is really good. Wow. 9 out of 10 for that. Louis gives it a 1 out of 10. Louis, get in your chair. You're 2, but you still could get hurt really easily. Now time for the New York Reuben. So, well, I give this to Louis. I'll read it. No, not that good. It says, I work in a restaurant where Reuben sandwiches are a big seller. It reminds me of upbringing on Long Island where delis are very prominent. Do you like it, Louis? He gives it a 10 out of 10. I'm scared. Oh my god. You can really taste the pickle. Still trying to decide if I like it or not. The pickle taste is just so strong. Eight out of 10. Lots of pickles and that would be like 10 out of 10. This is really good. I really wanted to try the Southern biscuits and gravy. Oh my god. He's in love. So Louis' favorite is this. My bro likes his New York. His New York style. Look, Louis. There's pickles in it. I'm surprised you like it. Hon, I'm gonna give my sister one. Well, bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Try this.